The biggest drawback or issues that most magicians would have with the ghost hand would be... Hello everyone, in this video we are taking a look at Ghost Hand by Wang and Beacon Magic. Not to be confused with Ghost Deck by Murphy's Magic, which you can watch the review for that at the end of this video. Now, Ghost Hand is a fully gimmicked deck that allows you to perform several classics of card magic, such as restoring the deck to new deck order, separating the red and black cards like oil and water, or even an ace assembly routine. All this for $25 US. Now, Wang is a Chinese magician who has appeared many times on Chinese television, and he has also performed on China's Spring Festival program. Here is what you receive with Ghost Hand. It comes in this box. The link to the tutorial video is under the lid. You get two decks. One is a gaff deck and one is a regular deck. You are provided with two decks as you will need some regular cards in addition to the gaffs. The decks are Empire Keepers playing cards. You can tell the gaff deck from the regular deck from the side of the box. Now this is the front of the box. It says Empire Keeper Dragon cards. And the back of the box is the back design of the cards. Now let's take a look at the back design. It is pretty cool in my opinion. You get like dragons flying among clouds kind of vibe. The cards feel good and handle well right out of the box. The faces are standard faces. One thing to note is that I seldom see this deck being sold outside Asia. I may be wrong, so please let me know if you've seen or purchased this deck before. These are quite readily available in Malaysia, where I am, and also the rest of Asia. They are printed in Taiwan. You will get two video tutorials with the Ghost Hand. The first video is about 12 minutes long, and you get a second bonus tutorial which is about 6 minutes long. And the videos teach you what you can do with the Ghost Hand deck. The main tutorial has this AI voiceover added to the video. On first watch, I actually had a little bit of a hard time following what was going on. I had to watch it the second time and play with the gimmicks. But it is not a long tutorial to watch several times. And after that, you'll be able to learn the routines. The tutorial also seemed to assume that you have a certain amount of card magic knowledge. For example, it just goes through moves like the Elmsley count at a very high level. So while all the effects you see in the video trailer is achievable with this deck, you might need to figure out some things yourself. Now this is a fully gaff deck, and you can perform more than one effect with this gaff deck. But not every effect can be performed in the same setting, as some routines do require the setup be in a different configuration. For example, the oil and water and having the deck go back to new deck order. The routines are actually not that hard. With a little bit of practice, you will be able to perform all the effects you see in the trailer. The Ghost Hand deck is a gaff deck, so it does need to be set up before you perform the effects. And the deck cannot be examined for the most part. And you will need to carry at least an extra deck to be able to use this. In my opinion, this works better in formal close-up performances or performance with video projection due to the nature of this prop. The biggest drawback or issues that most magicians would have with the Ghost Hand would be whether they like the back design or not, and also the availability of the regular Empire Keepers playing cards in the international market. So that's all I have to say about the Ghost Hand by Wang and Beacon Magic. I would like to thank Beacon Magic for sending this to me so that I can tell you about it. Do let me know if you have come across the Empire Keeper Dragon cards. Thank you for watching. Here are some other reviews for you to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like if this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.